Hana,
Hmm?
I wanna eat binangkal.
I don't like it.
You don't like it? Yummy mo ng binangkal na.
Mm-mm.
Puto. Ano mo kaon kag binangkal? Hmm? Ang kaon ba dyan kag binangkal? Dami man na anak. Sunod na ay kape. No? Hana? You wanna try binangkal? You've tried it before. What Filipino food do you like?
I like bread
Bread. What else?
and rice
And rice. What else?
and coffee.
What about biko? You wanna eat biko?
This
What about biko?
tasa.
You say biko.
Tasa.
Ah, champurado.
Yeah.
You eat champurado?
Nope.
Hindi makahaw na ano eh. What about shakoy? Ah, you eat shakoy? Kayo like donut man? No?
Yeah.
You gonna eat shakoy?
Yep.
Yummy na pa ng shakoy na. Hindi ka na bang twisted donut do ah? Mau man na. Mau ra man na.
It's fine.
What do you mean the slime? Ang dugoy. Can you make mommy some coffee?
No, it's so hot. No coffee.
You want mommy make champurado?
No.
I thought you said you wanna eat champurado. And then we have pinaksiw man.
Like a donut, cheesy donut.
Ah, you want a twisted donut?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's yummy.
That's yummy.
Yeah. I need plenty of sugar. Ooh.
I like sugar.
Huh?
I like sugar.
That's not really good.
Not good for Anna.
Yeah. What about you like Filipino spaghetti? Yeah? You like it?
Yeah.
What about bihon? Bihon. You like man bihon? Bihon ba ka ng doodles ba?
Bihon.
Yes, bihon. Doodles man gihapon na anak. You like doodles man, diba?
Do ya?
You like pinaksiw? You like buwad?
No.
No, di ay. Pinaksiw?
Pinak.
Yeah. You like pinaksiw? You
Like
like pinaksiw?
a cookie donut.
A twisted donut. Okay, but I don't know how to make. We see if someone is selling a twisted donut, then we can eat, you know?